Hey guys, my Airsoft-Club here today. Just doing a quick quick unboxing from Airsoft-Club. This is just one item, so I'm just gonna do it real quick. It was already open in the front a little bit, but it doesn't really matter. Alright. This is $20, so for what you're getting, it's a good deal. It is a gun bag, so as y'all can see, my gun fits in there perfectly if I take off the silencer. Y'all can't see it really, but that's it. So 20 bucks, and this is Coyote Brown. Sorry if I don't have the light on. That's better. It's really nice. I'm going to do a review on it right now once I look at it a little bit. It looks actually really nice. Has a bunch of straps on it. So thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you guys later.